Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some logical functions like NOT and F-error functions. Let's get started. I have written some data on the screen. That is true and false. Some Boolean expressions. Now what we'll be looking at is the NOT function. If I want to make a negative or the opposite of a function, I can use the NOT function. For example, I have written here true. And if I want the negative of this true, I can use the not function. I'll just type equals not, open bracket, and I will click on this cell number and close the bracket. So whatever is true will be converted to false. When I press enter, you've got the answer. Similarly, if I drag this to the bottom, I'll get true. So this false is converted here as true, and similarly, this true is converted here as false. So the only method by which you can convert into a negative or opposite is using a not function. Let's see the next one. I have some other function known as f-error. I have some data written here. The data type I've written is text, number, true, false, and error message. Now, sometimes in an entire column, if you want to find out where the error messages are displayed, you can use the f-error function. What it says is, if there is an error, what is the method or what is the text you want to display? If there is an error message, it will throw some text. If not, the same text will be copied and pasted here. So I'll type here a function, equals f-error, open bracket. If the cell number is an error, give me a skip this. So if this cell number has some error, this message will be thrown. If not, the same text will be written here. So I'll press enter. You see the same text is present. So if I drag down to the bottom in all the places, see, now this column has been copied here. But wherever there is an error message, instead of this, the text is written as skip this. So it will give me an idea and I can put a filter and do some other stuff. There you have it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.